Hi everybody, it's Monday, which means it's Quizzy Monday time. By now, you know the drill, you are the experts. You have two choices. Choice number one, if you're feeling confident, you have a go at the Quizzy Monday yourself, then watch the video and check your answers. If you're feeling like you could use a little bit more support, a little bit more help, then choice number two is you get your Quizzy Monday ready and you complete it with me. That does mean that you are going to have to do some and then check your answers, some more, and then check your answers. Don't just watch me do maths. You won't learn anything by doing that. So let's get cracking with our Quizzy Monday. This week we are looking at division, so sharing, time, and thermometers. If you think, some parts of this are tricky, like telling the time, then do the first part, watch the video and check your answers, and then do the time section with me. Because I'm here to help you. That's my job. And you need to let me know if there are some things that you want to practice a little bit more. Because I know it's not easy for everybody all the time. So talk to me. Right, we're starting with division and sharing. If you're having a go yourself, great, do that now. Pause the video and come back when you've done A, B, C, D, E, and F. For those of you who think, oh, I can't remember how to do this, it's been so long, that's fine. I will give you a clue. We are sharing. So if we're sharing between two, we draw two circles. If we're sharing between three, we draw three circles. If we're sharing between four, we draw four circles. That's a little reminder for you. I'm going to have a go at A in just a moment. Let me write this down. So division or sharing, I'll do A. And then once you've seen me do A, you'll be an expert again and you can have a go at the rest. How does that sound? Super. 12 divided by 2, that's 12 shared between 2. So there are two people and we are sharing 12 things. You've got to count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop! We're stopping at 12 because we only had 12 things to share. Now we find out how many each person had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to check that I've shared them equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm happy that they both have 6. So 12 shared between 2 is 6. You feeling confident now? Why don't you pause the video and have a go at 15 shared between 5. That's 15 shared between 5. You can pause the video and have a go at this one now. Hopefully you did have a go and you're not just waiting and watching me. I know how to do this. I've had lots of practice. It's your turn to practice. 15 shared between 5. 15 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Stop! Stopping at 15 because I only had 15 to share. Now this one's nice and easy. I can look at each circle and see that every single one has an equal amount. They all have 3. So 15 shared between 5 is 3. On to the next one then. The question is 20 shared between 4. If you haven't already, pause the video, finish 20 shared between 4. 4. Okay. Hopefully you paused the video and had a go. You might have even finished all of these and are just using this to check your answers. If that's true, that's brilliant. You're an independent learner and I love it. 20 shared between 4. We're sharing between 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 20. Let's count carefully. Remember, we go back to the beginning each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop at 20. We've only got 20 to share. Have I shared them equally? Yes, and because they're so neat and clear, I can see straight away each one has got 5. So 20 shared between 4 is 5. How are you doing so far? Finding this tricky? Finding this easy? Which one? Let me know how you found today's Quizzy Monday. If there's something that's hard, tell me. We can do more teaching, we can do more practice. Next one for you is 18 shared between 3. Have a go yourself. Pause the video, come back when you've done it. 18 shared between 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm sharing 18. I'm going to count carefully and do it neatly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, only got 18 to share. Really important, that first number, that total, and making sure we count accurately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, the answer must be 6. Fab job, everybody. 2 more to go. 30 shared between 5. Pause the video and have a go at 30 shared between 5. Okay, 30 shared between 5. Between 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to share 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now remember, if you lose count, you've got to start again. If you lose count halfway through your sharing, you've got to start again. There's no way you'll get back to the right answer if you don't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you think the answer might be? 6. Again, look, 3 different questions, all with the answer of 6. Some people out there, Bayer keeps sending me messages on Class Dojo saying, hey, this answer and this answer were the same. Yeah, that's the beauty of maths. The question can be different, but the answer might be the same. Last one, F. 21 shared between 3. 21 divided by 3. Over to you. No, I'm not going to do this one. You're going to do this one, and I'll see when you send me a photo on Class Dojo whether you were feeling confident. 21 shared between 3. You can do that now. Pause the video, come back to the next section when you've done. I'm not showing you how to do this one. That's up to you. Okay. Time. We looked at time a lot a couple of weeks ago, and it's one of those things that if you don't practice it, it can fall out of your ears or dribble out of your nose, and it's no longer in your brain. So we're going to practice a lot. I know at home loads of people have got these thingamabobs, and on these thingamabobs the time is digital, and you don't have a lovely clock face like this, and not everybody's house has one of these. So you might not be practicing a lot, and that's fine. That's why we're here today to practice together. I'm going to use this one to show you these times, and I'm going to talk it through. If you've had a go already and you're feeling super confident, just use this to check your answers. Let's have a look at the first one together. It might take me a little bit of time to set it up, but I know you're patient. Okay, here is the first one. We know it's somewhere around 3 o'clock. This hour hand looks like it's nearly pointing straight at the 3, but it's not right at it. It will be in a minute. It's heading up to o'clock. How many minutes until 3 o'clock? Well, we know that this one jump is 5. So this is 5 to 3. 5 to 3. If you wrote 5 minutes to 3, that's absolutely fine. 5 to 3. On to H. Round and round we go. Okay, we use that hour hand to help us out. This one here, it's gone past the 10. So something past 10. Let's count round to the minute hand to find out how many minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20 past 10. So the second one, H, 20 past 10. Okay. On to the next one. Look at that hour hand. Decide, is it past something or to something? It's here. You can see it's gone past 8. How many minutes? Let's count from the top. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, did I say past 8? Past 7. Past 7. 25 past 7. 25 past 7. On to the next one. Ooh, yes, I remember these. We've got those special times that are here and here and here and here. Can you remember what this one is? It's past 11 and it's quarter. So this is quarter past 11. The answer to J is quarter past 11. On to K. We're swapping sides of the clock now. You can see that this is nearly 7. It's nearly 7 o'clock. How long until it will be 7 o'clock? How far does this have to travel to get to 7 o'clock? Let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 to 7. Or 20 minutes to 7. So it's nearly at 7 o'clock. 5, 10, 15, 20 to 7. If you're finding these tricky, let me know and I can do some more time activities. There's still loads of time YouTube videos that we did a couple of weeks ago for you to have a look at. We're going on to the bottom row now. L, M, N, O and P. Tricky with the hour and the minute hand stacked one on top of the other. Super tricky. If we look though, it's just past that one. And then we jump the minutes. 5 past 1. Really, really tough time because they're one on top of the other. It's not easy. 5 past 1. On to M. Another one where they're really close together. Look at that hour hand. You can tell it's gone past 4. It's not on its way to 5 o'clock yet. It's gone past 4, hiding under there. How many minutes? Let's count round. 5, 10, 15, 20 past 4. 20 past 4. Now this one is nearly 8 o'clock. It's nearly, looking at the hour hand, it's pointing very, very close to being straight at that big number 8. Nearly 8 o'clock. How many minutes until it's 8 o'clock? 5, 10. So this one shows 10 to 8, or 10 minutes to 8. Oh, the next one's another one of our big times. If we look at the hour hand on this one, it's nearly at the 2 o'clock. It's nearly at 2 o'clock and it's pointing straight across here. Remember, half, quarters. This is quarter. Quarter to 2. Quarter to 2. Well done if you remembered that. Some people might have written 15 minutes to 2 or 15 to 2. But when it's here, we say quarter. And then our last one, oh, another nice big time. Just about dinner time, this one. This minute hand has gone halfway round. It's gone halfway round the clock face. And it's gone, this hour hand has gone past 5. So this one, our last one, is 5:30. Now, if you found that tricky, I don't want you to send me a picture with all of your correct answers because you've listened to me and you've written them down. If you found it tricky, I need to know that it's tricky so we can do a bit more practice. So let me know, or practice yourself at home. We're going to move on to the next section, which is thinking about last week's learning, which is thermometers. Hello. There we go. Right, you might not be able to see very clearly on here, but I'm sure you can see very clearly on your own Quizzy Monday at home. It says write the time shown on each thermometer. So Q, you're looking very carefully at the scale, and you can see that the tens are numbered. And actually that red line stops smack on the number 30. So the answer to Q is 30. Now in between each 10, we've got a 5 with a tiny little line. So it starts on 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And it's the same on all of them. So the little tiny lines are 5s going up. So between 20 and 30, it's 25. Between 30 and 40, 35. And between 40 and 50, 45. Really, really important. You're super confident with that. Let's look at R. R, well, it's more than 40 and less than 50. You don't need to estimate, because it's right on the line that's in the middle. So R is 45. Moving on to S. If you haven't had a go already, have a look at S and decide what you think. It's more than 20 and less than 30. It's in between 20 and 30. Right in the middle of those is 25. And T, nice and easy, that red line stops smack on the number 20. 20. Now U, V, W and X are problems. I'll read them now and you can see the temperatures here to help you answer those. U, which shows the hottest temperature? Look at these thermometers. Which letter shows the hottest temperature? You can write your answer down. I'm not going to for these. I want to see who's solving those problems themselves. We've looked at the hottest temperature. Now decide which one shows the coldest temperature. Okay. Hopefully you've decided which one shows the coldest temperature and you've written that letter. W is a classic. We're looking at S and T. How much hotter than T is S? How much hotter than T is S? I'm going to draw a line here. Get my line in the right place. How much hotter than T is S? Write the number. And then X is the same sort of thing. What is the difference in temperature between the hottest and the coldest? So look at the one that's the hottest, look at the one that's the coldest. What's the difference in temperature? So how much hotter than the coldest is the hottest? Sounds very complicated. Look at the hottest one, how much more is it than the coldest one? Once you've finished these, make sure that you've completed all of the answers on your Quizzy Monday. Send me a photo. I'm especially interested in these ones here and in the sharing one that I didn't show you how to do in the first section. If anything's tough, let me know. I can help. That's my job. I'll see you soon. I look forward to seeing your Quizzy Mondays on Class Dojo. Bye.